VTS, Rocktail VTS. This is motor vessel Oro Jackson, call sign 3 Golf Lima Delta Romeo. How do you read me? Over.
Motor vessel or Jackson. This is Rafael VTS reading you on board and clear. Over.
Rocktail GPS. This is motor vessel Oro Jackson, passing reporting line Alpha and entering Rocktail VTS area. Over.
Message received question. What's your ETA to the pilot station? Over.
Our ETA to the pilot station will be 0900 local time. Over.
What's your forward, AFT and maximum draft? Over.
Forward draft is 7.50 aft. Draft is 8.50. Maximum draft is 8.50. Over.
What's your freeboard and airdrop? Over.
Our freeboard is 10.21 and airdrop is 30.50. Over.
Your last port and next port.
Our last port was Egghead and next port is Elbaf. Over.
What's your gross tonnage and net tonnage?
Gross tonnage is 20763. Net tonnage is 11503. Over.
What's your summer deadweight?
Summer deadweight is 32949.
Copy and message. How many crew on board and their nationality?
Total number of crew on board 22 crew including the master, 4 Filipinos and 18 Japanese. Over.
Do you have cargo on board? Over.
No cargo on board. We are in ballast condition. Over.
Any deficiencies or malfunction on board?
Negative, ma'am. All equipment is in good condition.
As of now, this is no berthing schedule for your vessel. Please drop anchor on arrival. Over.
Copy your message. Anchor on arrival. Can you please give me as an anchor position? Over.
You can proceed to Skype anchorage and report after dropping your anchor.
Thank you for the information, ma'am. We will call you back once we drop anchor standing by channel 16 and 13 out.